everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of this video, I have two free gifts I want to give you. But you have to stay to the end of the video to find out what those two free gifts are. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a site called Branded Surveys. If you guys don't know what Branded Surveys are, it is a survey company that you can get paid to take surveys. And yes, I said surveys. I know some of you out there do not like to take surveys because they are irritating. You know, you have to have patience, I can tell you that. And you have to understand the demographics as well. They actually look for people of a certain race that earn a certain income, that a certain age, certain where you work, place of business. So just understand that once you guys fill out your information the first time, because you're going to have to qualify, you're going to have to fill out your information. So when you fill that information out, make sure you fill out accurate information. Also, make sure you guys take your time doing these surveys. You do not want to rush these surveys because they can't tell if you're rushing and if you're giving false information. Okay, so here we are on Branded Surveys, and as you can see, I've reached 1,006 points. That's equivalent to $10. Okay, so I have reached $10 on Branded Surveys. Now, I know a lot of you want to know how long does it take to get to $10. It all depends on your work ethic, because I can't sit here and tell you it's going to take you 2 days because I don't know your work ethic. Me, I give myself a week and a half, just because this is not an overnight process. It takes a couple of days to cash out, like it takes a minute. So understand that when you're taking surveys, you guys have to be patient. Also, a tip that I've learned, this is something that I do now. I used to come on and do surveys all day long. Like on Branded Surveys, I'd do the surveys till they ended, till there was no more surveys. I'd come back an hour later and do surveys again. So what I've done now is I'll do surveys on Branded Surveys, and then I will do all the surveys, wait for it to tell me there's no more surveys available. Then I will come back the next day so the surveys can load, and I'll come back the next day and redo all my surveys again. So that way, you're not running out of surveys, because if you do surveys all day, you run out of surveys to do. So a little tip, you guys can, take from this is, excuse me, you can do the surveys, wait till it says there's no more available, then come back the next day and do it again, because they're always loading surveys on this site. Excuse me. And it is a great site. And my account's in good standing, so I've been doing the surveys on here a lot. Do not skip any surveys. Make sure you do all the surveys. I know some of you want to go for the higher points, but the more surveys you do, the better you have at qualifying for them. They have added a couple of things. They have bonus surveys. You can get paid to refer your friends. You can answer a daily poll for 5 points, and this is every day. The question here says, do you sleep with the nightlight on? The answer would be no. So you come back up here, you refresh the page, and you get your points here. So as you guys can see, I was just awarded 5 points for answering the daily poll. You can also come here to partner surveys. Just let it load really quick. And I do a couple of things on here. I personally just do Offertoro, because I clip coupons, and I allow myself to print those coupons, save them to a PDF, and then I'm awarded the points for the coupons. It used to be 18 points, now it's 2.5, 2.4, 2.5, around there. So you're going to get 2 points for doing the coupons. You guys can take a look at Peanut Labs as well. They give disqualification points. And this is the payout options here. They have PayPal, bank. Branded Pay is like a bank transfer. Sorry, I was just trying to read. I was just trying to read what it said up there. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So basically takes 1 to 2 business days to receive your PayPal payment. Once you get to 1,000 points, you can cash out. Takes 1 to 2 days for you to be able to receive your payment. So I have made it to my $10 cash out. I'm going to go ahead and do a withdrawal here so you guys can see that I've withdrawn my points. So redeem points. Remember, it's 1,000 points equivalent to $10. So I've made it to 1,000 points. I will receive this, it says, on January 28th. So request. And there you have it. 11 points was left over. So I had 1,011 points, and this is left over. And then I can try again, try again for another $10. And there you have it, you guys. This is Branded Surveys. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link to this in the description, and you guys can join. I will also leave the link to some other free gifts I want to give you. So without further ado, let's talk about your free gifts. If you stayed to the end of this video, I want to thank you. You guys will receive your free gifts. They're going to be in the description below. You can click on those free gifts. It will be taken to them, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.